Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're looking at a stream dock that the company did send me and did compensate me to make a review on. And this is basically a controller for your computer. This is for PC, but I actually got it to work with my Mac as well. So I'm going to say Mac and PC, but this one is for PC, but it did work for my Mac as well. And I'll show you that in a few seconds. This is how it comes in this nice box. Do a quick unboxing. And this is my Mac right here, my MacBook. Open this up, and this is how it comes. Just a really fast unboxing. Show you a little bit about there's a manual, some information in here. So take a look at this at your leisure. You have to download some drivers, which is really easy to do, and the software to actually run this device. This is how it comes back. Let me just open this up real quickly for you. This is the actual the stream dock itself, which is really nice. And it did come with a USB-A to USB-C cable. Now, the only thing I didn't care for that they should have put a USB-A to C adapter, which I have one here because my Mac is USB-C, and this is USB-C on the bottom of this, and I'll show you that. So they should have included an adapter. That's my only pet peeve so far. So this is the nice cable that does come with a nice quality cable. Let's put this all to the side and show you that, and put this to the side. And here is my adapter. That's my adapter. So we'll put that to the side. And let me show you the actual the Stream Deck itself, which is really nice. Open this up so you can just see this just opens up like that. And you just plug in the USB-C right here. And that's where you plug in to power it and to control everything. So basically, these are all hotkeys. Now, I'm sure you've seen these all over the internet. Stream Decks and all kinds of, you name it, pretty much, Stream Docks and all that kind of stuff. And that's what this is. So you can either lay this flat on the ground, okay, if you want to lay this flat, or you can use this, which I always happen to like these little docks that actually you can hold it up a little bit, and you can see it does give it some nice 45 degree. You can run your cable through here. You got cable management system here, so you can run your cable anywhere you want all around it. I happen to like it like this personally, but some people like them flat. Totally up to you, however you like to do it. But for this demonstration, we'll keep it flat. Since my camera straight down, you can see better. But I really like the 15 keys, and you can keep controlling these different keys. You can add more banks, and you can have it unlimited. Really, honestly, it's really amazing quality, almost like a high definition screen, which I really like that. Okay, and the screens are super soft and they're magnetic. So, and when you first plug it in, this is what it looks like. Okay, very cool. Look at that. Isn't that cool looking? That's like 3D screen, you know. So basically, you got the screen underneath, and the keys are on top, and the kind of layers that glass look. That's what that look is. So now you can see it is actually on now. It's working and really easy to use. I want to just show you the detail of this screen. It's almost like a liquid. Just amazing. Look at the detail. Look at the earth in the background. This is really nice. So you have all your hotkeys here. This is your favorites for your websites. You can control anything you want. I have MTV, the Starbucks. You can change any of these icons. You can go to their online store and download any of the plugins in their plugin store. So you can go there and just download whatever you're looking for. Pretty much everything is there. You can control OBS, all your hot switches, all your keying, all that kind of stuff, on, off, switching, really kind of cool. These 3 buttons here are really nice. I like these buttons. This top one controls the volume. The second one here controls a different screen, so you can have multiple panels of information. So you can just keep switching it instead of having a key being used to switch to a new bank. You can just turn this and it changes the bank. So you can add and keep adding and adding. I like that. That's a smart idea. And this is a customized one. You can just do whatever you want. And they also press down as well. You can see that. You can also just change it like that. You can see that how it just changes the animation, goes right back to the beginning, and hit the button for this top one. That's the mute button when you're on your computer, so you can just push it down for the mute. That's how that works. And just go so we have the toolbar, go over all the different ones here. The toolbar, this is the toolbar, so you can have all your different tools on here. Adjust the volume settings up and down like that. Also, you can use the knob, whatever you want to use, and then you can just go from there. The second one down is the let's see what this is here. It is for the website. Okay, so this is for your favorite websites. Like I said before, Instagram, Facebook, Xbox, I was going to say X, all that kind of stuff, TikTok, all those things, all those hotkeys you can do right there, really easy. Here's your information, all your different information on here, lights, controlling weather, screens, pretty much anything. You can control any device with these things here. This is your info board. This is the mini game. That's what they're calling this, mini games. This is all you put all your games on here. Whatever you're doing for streaming with your games, you can add all your hotkeys for that on your gaming section. Okay. This is the screensaver. So if you have some cool screensavers, you want to do that, you can do that as well. This is your music console. music console, so you can put all your different music on here, different effects. Each one of these keys can have create effects, motion, the background. You can just see how deep you can get into this. This is just amazing. And then you can add all your custom keys more and more and more. You can just see how that works. So really nice quality. Ultra smooth keys. These are magnetic keys. They're really just nice and easy. Low triggering latency. Very fast response, all day comfort. This feels really good in your fingers. Honestly, it's super soft and easy to touch. I like that. Feels really good. They give you nice quality. And you get that feedback so you can hear it. I like that. They're very pleasing to the eyes. You can see the detail. Hopefully in this video, it's coming across. You can see that. Commonly 15 custom LCD micro keys, 3 these are all precision controls as well, knobs, drag and drop files, browsing, move things around. You got the mute button, all that kind of stuff. This has a lot of technology built into it. You can have all kinds of control with your smart devices, lights, camera, action, you name it. It works with everything. Totally it works with that OBS. All your streaming applications, Twitch, doesn't really matter. Fantastic. Comes with a 3-year warranty with a good customer service. And again, Photoshop, Adobe, Premiere Pro, Zoom, I mean, all of that stuff, DaVinci, I mean, you name it, it's compatible with everything, with all the shortcuts, quick cuts, and all that kind of stuff. So I just want to show you what it looks like. Fantastic quality. It feels really good in the hand. Nice quality in the back here. Like I said, and you can add the device here if you want to. If you really want that side look to it, you can do that. Totally up to you. But I happen to like it like this personally. But for this demonstration, I keep it flat so you can see it really good. Again, this hooked up to my Mac. It said for PC only on this one, but I use the device. It worked for me. So it's, as far as I'm concerned, this is pretty much cross compatible. And just have to go into the config and just make sure you just activate that under your security settings on your Mac, and you should be good to go. But this is what they look like, and I like it. So okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow the channel for more videos just like this. Hope it brought you some value. I'll leave a link down below. It is a affiliate link, and if you go ahead and purchase this, I do get a small commission just to be fair and transparent. And that's what I have for you. So I do all kinds of stream decks. As you see, I have the Elgato. I have this one here. I like the Stream Dock. I like this one as well. And they all have different purposes with different applications, but they all do kind of the same thing. But basically, this one here is very cool. I mean, look at that water. Look at this thing, and you can change the background. You can have whatever you want. You don't have to have this. You can just customize this totally. So it's really up to you what you want to do. And that's cool. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next review. And thanks for watching.